This is the elevator at JCPenney at the Danbury Fair Mall in Danbury, Connecticut. It's a Montgomery Twinkie-M with A-series fixtures from 1988. Let's take a ride on it. It's a pretty basic JCPenney elevator. Let's go to UL. I think this is my first one with A-series fixtures. Let's listen to the motor. Don't close the button. Don't close it when you push the button. Nice motor. Listen to that bell. L. ADA compliant phone. UL. Take one more ride. Door closes when you push the button. I like that. Watch the button go out. I love that bell. L. Let's get a cab view. Just your basic JCPenney elevator. Same cab as the Walden Galleria. Here we are back at L. There are the fixtures. For some reason it doesn't ring for up. There's the... And that's it.